I need your help. About 5 or 6 years ago, I had a job at a metalworking shop, and I was young. I didn't understand work ethics and the importance of showing up to work on time, that sort of thing, and I got fired. And at that point, I kind of lost my confidence to try to get another job, so I sort of went on my own. I started trying to do woodworking on my own, and that wasn't really making money. And most of the money that I was making from it, I was spending to fix up my shop. So I started making videos about how I was improving my shop. And that turned into a pretty good business. I've been running this channel for almost 4 years now, and it's worked well. But that wasn't a good decision. See, the problem with running a YouTube channel like this is that I can do everything from home, and I kind of stopped leaving the house. I can buy my materials and tools online. I make the videos in my own shop. I upload them to YouTube, and the money comes via direct deposit. And I don't ever have to leave the house for anything. So I've turned into kind of a recluse. I have a lot of social anxiety. So I feel like my best option is to try to get a job again. I'm older, I'm more mature, I think I can keep a job this time. But if I'm gonna be having a day job, I really want it to be something that improves life and makes the world a better place. And we have a current situation. We need to stop using fossil fuels. This is a very serious situation that there's a huge industry rising up to help. The renewable energy industry is huge. But the problem is I don't know anyone in this industry, and I don't know how to get into it. And I'm actually really excited about this industry because I don't think that moving away from fossil fuels needs to be a bad thing. We can improve a lot of products when we stop using fossil fuels to power them. I think electric cars are a perfect example of this because I drive an electric car. And when you remove an engine from a car and replace it with batteries that you can kind of make whatever shape and size you want and put them where you want them in the car, you can really make a superior vehicle. And it works. It works great. I mean, I'm never going back. Electric is totally the way to go for transportation. And I think this is just one example. Many products are going to be like this. So it's a sector I'm excited about, and it's something I want to get into. So if you're watching this video, you're probably one of my long-term viewers. So I'm hoping that someone out there can see what I've done and what my skill set is based on the things I've made on this channel. And maybe you know of someone who might hire me. Keep in mind, I don't have an education, so just go by, I guess, my accomplishments, which are just previous videos on this channel. If you're new here, go watch some of my previous videos and see what I've done. For what it's worth, I live in Southeast Arizona, but I am completely willing to relocate. I would prefer to stay close to family if I could, but that's not a big deal. I guess I got that off my chest. So thanks for listening, and if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments or email me. I'll put my email address on the screen. Thank you.